prank on you guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made these bluish, purplish chrome nails, and they were super easy, super quick. What I'm focusing on really is the chrome because a lot of people ask me how I do it. So yeah, just showing you guys how I do this chrome and how I do my chrome nails. Make sure you guys follow my nail page at 𝐒𝐲𝐳 by Camille, and thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. You guys, thank you so much. They're in the kitchen, water whipping, making all the noise. Sorry. So I want to thank you guys so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel because you guys have boosted my channel up so much. I went from 45 subscribers to 154, I think, or I'm at 157. But thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. I see you guys really like these nail videos, so I'm gonna keep them coming. Stay tuned. I got a little surprise for you guys on Wednesday. I know you guys will love what I have planned. So yeah, let's jump into this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry if the frame shifted, you guys, and sorry if you hear background noise. Everybody wants to move around the house right now. So I'm gonna take this bluish, purplish chrome, and this is what I'm going to do over my nails. So what I've already done is I've applied my base coat, my 2 layers of gel polish, which is in the 𝐒𝐈𝐊𝐄 line, and it's 3116. So yeah, I got that in the big bulk of colors, and then I applied my top coat, and I had to use my Jody top coat because my 𝐒𝐈𝐿s are tripping. I don't know what's going on. So I'm gonna do these one by one. So like I said, well, I didn't say it in this video because I recorded 2 videos, but what I'm gonna do is dip my finger in the chrome, and normally I would pour it in the top, but for this purpose I forgot. So yeah, sorry you guys. So I'll make sure you guys can see, and I'm going to brush downward, and I'm just gonna go ahead, I gotta hold this, and apply it onto the nail in a downward motion. And I do downward because that way you know where all of it is going. And you see, you don't have to put a lot on there. See, there's not really a lot on my finger, but you can already see the color like forming and I want to add just a little bit more because it's not enough for me, baby. So, and I decided not to do a voiceover because I wanted to upload this the same night I recorded it. So this is why you guys hear me rambling, but it's okay. I'm gonna do it one more time just to make sure that we have all of that. And then I start like rubbing it around to make sure that it's smooth. But doing chrome is so easy, so look at that, you guys. Look how pretty that color looks. And it's like a purplish, like fluorescent. It looks like ashy, but I'm gonna put a top coat on it so it won't look ashy. So I'm just gonna do each of these one by one. And doing chrome nails is so easy and it's really quick too, because all you gotta do is brush it on there and boom. Apply your top coat and then you're ready to go, okay? Now, since all of my products are gel that I have used for this, they will last just as long. And the worrying about peeling with chrome is not really, it's chrome polish that you have to worry about, not the chrome powders. As long as you seal them with the top coat, and I mean from the free edge all the way up to where the cuticle area is, you will be fine. Like, there's no worries. And I could do these all on the my little ring, but I just don't want to mess it up because chrome gets everywhere and it is a mess with this powder. I keep calling it chrome. I don't really know. People call it hollow, some people call it chrome. I'm not sure what the definition is. I'm not even sure how to spell chrome correctly. Like, you know, I know like Google Chrome, that's the chrome that I'm thinking that, you know, this, you know, how to spell it is. But I don't know if I'm right, so y'all don't fry me, okay? Let me live, sis, okay? Just a little bit. So I'm just making sure. I know I'm not following exactly how I told you guys to apply it, but I'm just trying to make sure that it is getting applied correctly because I see holes, and you don't want no holes, honey. You don't want no holes at all. Not holes, holes. Like the movie with Shia LaBeouf. Yo, this is why I don't do videos with, sorry, I'm checking this to make sure. This is why I don't do videos without voiceovers over them. I sound stupid just rambling. I like to talk. I can listen to myself talk all day. But yeah, anyway. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna let this sit. Oops. We're gonna let this sit. We're not gonna apply the top coat right, you know, immediately after we do it, because we want to let the powder get a chance to actually settle on the nail and get used to its new home. Like, it gotta get used to where it's at. It can't just, you know, she's shy. She can't just, you know, can't just be bled out right there in your face. You know, you gotta let her ease into it. So, and then if you do apply the top coat directly onto the chrome, once you do it, there is a chance that it will lift up and get on your brush. So I mean, it's gonna do that regardless, like the access, but I'm saying like it'll mess up and you'll see the polish underneath. And I chose to do this gray because I was doing a video earlier and playing around with the chromes and it was so cute, but I don't think it was this blue. I think it was a different color. I think it was the purple that I really like, but I mean, I like both of them. They look really cute. I really do think it was this one though, but I don't know, y'all. I ain't gonna cap. But I like this because it's like purple and blue, and these are like super cute. If you guys want to see specific videos of me doing things, please let me know, and I will definitely make a video of me doing whatever you guys want to see, like whatever style you guys want me to try, or, you know, let me know. And let me know what is your favorite type of like chrome color. Like, do you guys like the silver? Do you guys like this one? Like, let me know in the comment section below. And tell me, guys, I can't talk. If you guys also would comment down your favorite video that I've done so far. I want to know which one is like you guys' favorite video out of all of my videos. And make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at 𝐒𝐲𝐣𝐨 by Camille. Make sure you guys are following my nail videos. Make sure you guys are following my nail page so you guys don't miss my special announcement I have to give to you guys. I'm definitely gonna make a YouTube video, but I still want you guys to follow my Instagram so you guys can see it firsthand, because it's gonna be there before it's on Instagram. Before it's on YouTube. So make sure you guys check that out. So we are done with the application part. So now I'm gonna let this sit. There's not really a time frame you can let it sit. Just gonna shake this excess off. You don't have to let it sit for like 50 minutes, an hour, none of that crazy mess. I'm just gonna let it sit for maybe 2 to 3 minutes. You don't even have to do it that long, but I really just want to be cautious, so we'll be back. have it, the finished result. I think they're super cute. So yeah, make sure you guys hit the like button, make sure you guys comment, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this cute little set right here. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video.